find daddy and mommy, and if you can't find them for suck them, just go on a Rumish Entertainment, go suck out the wall around there. Oh, that if I talk about, you're not talking all now, you know. You're not talking nothing all now. But I will talk. Yeah, I will talk. Tell the people them say they're and a bad man you're afraid of outer road, a police. Tell them that. I who take the fault for the gun with them they find that you're carrying police stop you. How police know for stop your vehicle? Come now, Jayden. How police know for stop your vehicle? But now remember that video there because it passed. So go fix up them something there first, Jayden, and get back to me. Yeah. Go and fix up them then get back to me before you even start arguing with me. And that me not eat you for being friends with Rosalie. Because we know that if a pies not gonna kill you from your name from Anisha and drink all Rosalie's spits. Rosalie tie you with her mouth water and a Akeem share around down. How you work out that? And then you want to come qualify yourself with me. Not at all. I'm not argue with you today. I just have this some outline. So when you come back again, I go down in the nitty-gritty. You're quick for call the police station pan Jenna. And you know why you do it? And because you know so the cops are watch you and you want to put it on other people. Jenna, don't make him put nothing on you. Yeah, don't come about that, Jayden, my baby. Stay in a child's place. Don't come about that. Yeah, run a call police station all pan live. Eh? And you know come tell them say, hey, you know say, police are watching because of holy parents. Take the things them for people from out of your name. Take the things them from people where people are from out of your name because nothing at all. For the time when you are big on the app, you can't accomplish so much something. So let us talk about that. Come now, man. So when I go jail for people things? People things? No. Go on to the police station, go tell them, say them have you up. Oh, I'm over there, say him win. Of course him win. Of course Jayden win. Jayden win until they hear we want Jayden. Me not ask you. Stop a shame, my baby. I want thing me can tell you when you say go suck your mother. Back to boy, go suck Rumish and make him know say from you they approve school them man of the peace sign in your bottom. Peace am out. Yeah. All we do on the app is not a prank nor an act. A your lifestyle. You never tell them that. A your lifestyle, my baby. She don't know how to cuss you, you know. She don't know how to cuss you. She don't. But you're barking up the wrong tree. Because when I come for one, I come for the entire generation. You never know. I'm supposed to listen to me. And me, I'm creator, and me create Jayden from the app. I'm supposed to listen to me. And me a Jayden's creator. Remember, say don't enough for only can say, you know, so I should make me really listen to Jayden. I should make me really support Jayden. Remember, a long time Rosalie spit and game. Remember, I'm me a Jayden creator. I'm supposed to sit and listen. Yeah, now come down, my baby. I'm gonna come for argue with you today. Today is Friday. Pick me up on a Saturday. Yeah, today is Friday, my baby. I just come from off a foreign road. And you talk about bad mind. Bad mind for people things when your name. Remember say a holy thieving things in your name, Jayden. But all our reason. A holy thieving things people plant in your name. Remember you go down. You go down. And this the audience no know, you go down. It's a setup. You have to go take the fall. It's a sacrificial lamb. You have to go down. And that's why I don't like when time I talk. Yeah, when time I say you go down, it burn you. But me know me I talk about. We want eat boss. When you hear the we want sign, you fret. Ask him when you hear the we want, him fret. Ask him. Me not wish bad upon him. Me I tell him the truth. This is not a wish bad. I only no one accepts the truth. This is not a wish bad. It's the truth me I talk, but you not have to believe. Remember me not come for convince you know. Me just come for my argument, burn him, because him know me I talk the truth. This is not a bring down my love. This is an eye opener. Remember, always remember, me not come for bring down Jayden and talk bad. We only no know all of that on upon the app. Always remember, through we only know all of that on upon the app, you know. Only can see the one side, you know. And say, oh, yeah, remember. Exactly, boss Chrissy, I'm not lying. And he knows. Him know. Jayden know. Jayden can't drive a road. If Jayden drive a road and police stop him, they might find something. Who remember the video when the police stopped Jayden and find gun in a Jayden car? Who remember the video? Who remember the video? When you remember them something at all? Okay. Okay. Somebody that will jump and take it. You never know. You never know. Jayden I talk about him have money, him can never buy himself a proper meal without want this, you know. And you say you have things. Jayden me not for ask nobody for my own. That is the difference between you and I. Me not have to do that. Oh, you never know? Well, now you know. Remember say happy can not forget nothing, you know. Remember happy can not forget nothing. Now over here so no come hear the truth. Remember when choose not to believe. That's why I no work for convince, you know. It just hurt him. All the him talk about Fabi. Fabi ate Jayden. Fabi ate Jayden. Jayden drive down Fabi and bad up Fabi with the man them. Let me tell you that. You never know them something there. No, you never know them something there though. All you see him sit down there go on. But that's why Fabi work our way out. A Jayden life, me I tell you that. Fabi even afraid to talk anything about Jayden because he would send people for Fabi. You never know that. You never know. Hey, let me tell you something. Slime regret the day him and Jayden live ever friend. Jayden not have good ways. I true, you don't know that Jayden don't have good ways. Jayden not like nobody strive over and anymore and control everybody. Why you think I come from my program and say Jayden is giving me a Rosalie vibe? Them like to walk and set up people. Them pay money to get rid of people. You never know. And Jayden have to go on like this because him have the bucket behind him. You never know that. You never know that though. Eh? Oh. Okay. But what Jayden don't know, him only a perform for the internet. But nothing beat authority. Nothing beat authority. You're not going to hear about it if I even one day in a life. You're not going to hear about it. Because one thing happening now, you only can do and do until you can't do no more. You never know Jayden use yasso. You see him out, nothing say you and him a friend. Jayden fly him out and him chat him business because him can't hold in things. You never know. You never know this, don't. Remember say me not cuss him, I just outline certain things where Shane never properly outline. I just outline certain things. All the years she attack, I said Jayden did a set up Shay against other people. I pump Shay for say things where him want to say, I'm afraid for say it. You never know. Go on, man. Him want it to look like say I saw him stay. And I saw him stay and true personality that this is not a prank. Yeah. Me now ask you a long time, a long time, long time, long time. Jayden a wicked. Me say Shay just never did that talk good. Why you think when time me a class Shay? I say I'm not classing you in a Shay for Jayden, you know. Don't get it twisted. When you can quote me correctly, me always say this, you know. Me say Shay, me not class you for Jayden, because I could never do that. Me a class it for my own self. You should have never make Queenie come about me. When you never hear me say so. Eh? And you can't stay and think a good smaddy. That's why I always nip it in the bud when I see him do things, and him don't like when I talk. Him don't like when I talk. Him like when I dip on him side. But Jayden, your time will come, fast approaching. Your time is coming. You quickly call police station about Jenna. Me not in like Jenna nothing. Ease up off of your neck. Jenna must not ease up off of your neck, Jayden. I want you to sit down on your neck. Because you think say everybody you can bad up like Fabi. Yeah, you think say every girl you go threaten and get through with it. I want you to sit down on your neck. Me don't want to make no sense, my baby. Go over to Jayden where it makes sense. Me don't want to make no sense. Go over Jayden. The truth I lick on like 6. And when I play that, I don't know cricket. Go over to Jayden. Yeah, anyhow you have to pick up for Jayden, you can't go wrong in them book. But you see, once you tell him the truth, him hate you. Yeah, once you tell him the truth, him hate you. Jayden is no big thing on the app. Trust and believe. Trust and believe. Me I tell you. Yeah, come about me. From you I talk to Rosalie. I could have never have you for Rosalie, and Rosalie never spit in and nothing give me a drink it yet. I can't know the difference because Rosalie a girl not take care of her body. So I don't know the difference. I see the Kool-Aid spoil, the lemonade have been a rotten lime. I the happy know so the juice expired. You could have did. But you talk out of your mouth, little boy. You have no sense. Eh? Huh? You have no sense. Of course, it got hurt him because Fabi wanted a way out. Enough things my ears and drama say I could have opened my mouth and I don't say nothing. I said leave the boy alone and drama. Because I know him time will come. Leave the boy alone, you have daughter to take your mouth off of the boy. I know if Jayden time will come. Fast approaching and him know. That's why Jayden not leave him house. Because him knows him walk and set up people. Yeah, that's why Jayden don't leave him house. And I never know that. As Jayden drive out police and him. My blood can't better than Jayden blood, my baby. Come here. Approved school Jayden I come from where man used to do him and him have to suck cocky. Cocky when I wash. My mouth can't better than Jayden. Where Jayden need to do a soak him braces in some peroxide. Kill the germs between him teeth. You never know that. You never know that. Kill the germs between him teeth. Nothing about Jayden for bad mind, God believe me. Only for bad mind Jayden and me creating on the app. How must I bad mind Jayden and me create Jayden on the app? Talk to me now. Huh? Come down, man. Make no argument makes sense. Jayden not argue with him creator. Huh? When Jayden say him eat crutches and a crutches, Jayden eat a old, a body. B-U-D-D-Y. Body. Remember body our best friend? So all people for bad mind Jayden now. Maybe uno bad mind him, you know. Because you don't want the big jail of fame, uno claim to say him have on the app. Remember uno bad mind him. Can't bad mind him. No boy never make peace sign in my bottom yet. No boy. No boy. If a boy have a finger, me have to use this, the little finger. Remember my seal up. So we talk about bad mind. Exactly. We not go like Jayden a portion or nothing. Jayden have too much things he can't enjoy because it's a people own. Hello? Remember Jayden did a try and marry the back and get papers to fly out because he's nervous, the cops are onto him. Remember?